Vegan self-saucing mocha pudding. Ingredients: 1 cup all-purpose flour, half a cup cocoa powder, half a cup granulated sugar, 2 teaspoons baking powder, a quarter teaspoon salt, half a cup plant-based milk, a quarter cup brewed coffee, cooled, 2 tablespoons vegetable oil, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, half a cup brown sugar, a quarter cup cocoa powder, 1 1/4 cups hot water. Instructions: preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius. Grease a baking dish or individual ramekins. In a mixing bowl, combine flour, cocoa powder, granulated sugar, baking powder, and salt. Stir in plant-based milk, cooled coffee, vegetable oil, and vanilla extract until smooth. Spread the batter evenly into the prepared baking dish, or divide among ramekins. In a separate bowl, mix brown sugar and cocoa powder. Sprinkle evenly over the batter. Carefully pour hot water over the mixture. Do not stir. Bake for 25 to 30 minutes, or until the pudding is set and the sauce is bubbling. Serve warm, garnished with vegan whipped cream or fresh berries if desired. I have left the recipe for this vegan self-saucing mocha pudding recipe in the video description. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to this channel for more vegan and gluten-free recipes.